So before moving to cloud and integrating our MCP server, there's a small change I've done in the application.yaml. So I've kept logging pattern console to empty. Make sure you keep this to empty or else you'll get continuous warning in your clouds. Okay, so what will happen is when the cloud runs the uh, your your jar, okay, so the logs will be conflicted with the cloud logs. Okay, so to avoid that, you can just keep the logging pattern console to empty. So let's rebuild the application. Make sure you keep this as empty. Rest all the properties will be the same. There are no changes at on this part. Fine. Now build is successful. So we'll go and we'll copy our MCP servers. We'll go to cloud, go to file, settings, go to developers, edit config. This will open the installation folder where the cloud is been installed. So you see this particular file, right? Cloud underscore desktop underscore config. So all the desktop related configurations for your cloud desktop application um, is been written in this particular JSON file. So we'll just be editing the JSON file. So what will happen now is when we uh, turn off cloud completely and we start again. Okay, so what will happen on load? It will check. Okay, there is an MCP server and the cloud needs to execute this MCP server using the Java-jar on this particular target MCP server jar. Okay, so let's go and kill the process completely. You need to um, kill the cloud instance which is running, and let's restart it. So we'll okay now. Okay, so to verify, I can go to File, Settings, and go inside Developer. Now you see order MCP server is running. Okay, so we are in running state now. Okay, that's great. So now let's go and tell Cloud create an order for washing machine. So, okay, so you see it has executed the create order tool, what we had created in order service. Let me minimize all this. So create order. So this particular method, which is representing the create order tool, is been executed. And if you see the response, right? If I click here, if you see the response order created for product washing machine. So order created for product and the product name. So yeah, it is working fine now as expected. Again, we'll do create order for fridge. Okay, again create order is called result order created for fridge. Okay, now list all orders. So get all orders is been called. So where you have get all orders, and yeah, it is given in the tabular representation. Get order for get order details for order ID 2. Get order by ID. So we have get order by ID, which has been executed. So order to fridge and status is created. So yeah, our MCP server is working as expected when we integrated with this particular LLM. So this is just a basic sample what I've showcased, to understand how MCP server, how you can create an MCP server and how we can integrate it with LLM. If you all want to do something more technical, more advanced, then you all can maybe create a Spring Data JPA project, okay, an application, a Spring application. and implement JPA repository or CUR repository, interact with your databases, get real-time data, and then uh, make your LLM access that particular tools. S- So yeah, that's it for this session. I hope you have enjoyed this particular practical. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more such exciting content. Thank you. Thanks for watching.